Let's learn our week 14 spelling words. Our first word is a sight word. Remember, we see it, we say it. This word is other. Other. If you have two of something, you can use one or the other. You can use the other door. Let's say it together 3 times. Other, other, other. The next word is many. Many. I have many toys. You have lots of something. Let's say it 3 times together. Ready? Many, many, many. Our next word, about. About. This story is about a dog. What is this movie about? Tell me about your family. Let's say it together 3 times. About, about, about. Our next word has 2 sounds. O and U together say ow. The last sound is t. Out, out. Let's go out of the house. We'll say it 3 times together. Out, out, out. This is our spelling pattern for this week. 2 sounds together. A, g, ug, ug. Our first word is ug, bug. This bug has 6 legs. A bug is an insect. Let's say it together 3 times. Bug, bug, bug. Next word, hug. 3 sounds. G, hug. Can I have a hug? Hug. Let's say it together 3 times. Hug, hug, hug. Next, 3 sounds. G. Rug. Rug. A rug is a small carpet. Sit and read on the rug. Rug. Let's say the word 3 times. Rug, rug, rug. Our last word is the word mug. M-a-g. Mug. This is a cup that you usually put something hot to drink inside. I have hot chocolate in my mug. Let's say it together 3 times. Mug, mug, mug. Well done, everyone. Good luck with your week 14 words.